How to pin a comment on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can pin a comment on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So first step that you'll need to do is head over to the post where you want to, simply pin the comment. So let's say I'm in this post and I'd like to pin a comment here. So just long press on it and you'll notice that there is no option where you can actually pin the comment. So instead of pinning the comment, what you do is you can choose to simply put up the most relevant comments. So that is basically pinning but without the title. So what you do is you head over to your menu icon on the bottom right, and on your menu icon on the bottom right, tap on the settings, tap on settings on the top right corner and scroll down. After you scroll down, under here you should find an option that says your followers and public content. Tap on it and right there scroll down. There you will see show the most relevant comment first. So if you turn this on, it will just put up the most relevant comment, in this case, which is this one right here. So yeah, that is basically how you pin a comment on Facebook post. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.